There are a lot of reasons why you need to get a Google Pixel 6 Pro screen protector. One of them is the fact that it protects your phone from scratches, damage and other things that could affect your phone's performance. With Google Pixel 6 Pro screen protector, you can enjoy the full experience with your smartphone. This screen protector will not affect the touch sensitivity or touchscreen functionality of your phone. You can enjoy the full experience with your new smartphone without worrying about any damages to the device. So today's video we're breaking down 5 best Google Pixel 6 Pro screen protector you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. IQ Shield. IQ Shield is the original home of Google Pixel 6 Pro screen protector. It was the first brand to start in the Google Store and continues to be one of the first brands to show up early in the store. The brand's products are available in most countries as a result of this early placement. IQ Shield has created a high-quality crystal clear screen protector compatible with your Google Pixel 6 Pro 2-pack. Providing protection from everyday wear and tear and accidental drops, IQ Shield will protect your screen in style and give it a new lease on life. IQ Shield's patented liquid crystal technology provides a thin, transparent layer between the screen and your device's sensitive camera lenses and displays. The best part is that these look like normal screens and don't require any touch-ups. Number 4. Skinomi. Get high-quality protection for your Google Pixel 6 Pro with a matte anti-glare screen protector. The matte film offers 100% clarity and the anti-bubble design is compatible with the edge-to-edge screen. The Skinomi matte screen protector is designed for Google Pixel 6 Pro 2-pack to provide protection and style you can count on. The matte finish combined with anti-glare film increases visibility, while the high-quality, anti-bubble TPU backing provides a natural feel. Phone screens in your life need protection from scratches, smudges, and more. Skinomi's matte screen protectors are a perfect way to shield your phone from all components that can damage your screen over time. In fact, it is the hardest matte screen protector on the market. Cut the glare with our anti-glare matte finish so you don't have to squint at your phone when trying to read or use it outside. Number 3. Atfolix. Get the perfect amount of vibrant color and protection for your favorite device with Atfolix screen protection film. Atfolix provides a revolutionary new way to protect your mobile device by applying our ultra-clear film over any screen protector or screen protector compatible case. Atfolix screen protection film offers a 360-degree protection for your screen against dust, scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. The ultra-clear protective film is compatible with your Pixel 6 Pro screen protector sold separately for maximum protection. With our easy-to-install screen protector that offers the option to use a variety of colors to personalize your device, you will love the pop of color on your screen. The film provides an invisible layer of protection that goes beyond traditional screen protectors, offering superior protection against scratches, dirt, and shocks. Number 2. Pukesy. You know that feeling when you're watching a movie and you start to feel like the screen is spying on you? With Pukesy Privacy Screen Protector Film, compatible with Google Pixel 6 Pro Anti-Spy TPU Guard, stop worrying about your privacy again. Our anti-spy film prevents prying eyes from stealing your information, keeping you and your personal data safe and secure. Screen protector film that protects your screen from scratches and impact damage. Compatible with Google Pixel 6 Pro Anti-Spy TPU Guard, a best screen protector that offers the best protection for your device. It is designed to protect the screen from scratches and fingerprint smudges while maintaining maximum clarity and touch sensitivity. This is a custom-made film to cover your display without lagging or bubbles. Number 1. TECH21. Tech21's screen protector for Google Pixel 6 Pro is designed to keep your screen safe from everyday bumps and scratches. The screen protector uses impact-resistant polymer and is compatible with the always-on display of your device. It's a must-have for active users who want to protect their devices at all costs. Its optical clarity delivers a beautiful experience while the invisible, self-healing properties of the film keep you safe from blemishes, cracks and scratches. A perfect complement to your Pixel 6 Pro. And with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Providing the ultimate pixel protection with an ultra-thin 2.5D curved surface, the Tech21 Impact Shield tempered glass screen protector is rated 9H and scratch-resistant. The company also provides a lifetime warranty in case of defects or scratches. Thin and lightweight, but strong enough to resist the toughest tests.